You have to take the circle. That day we have cut, no, in the last class. Please show me, everyone. Yes, Arush?
Ma'am, how many circles we have to take?
One.
Okay, ma'am.
Take one circle, whole circle in your hand. Whole circle in your hand, everyone. And show it to me. Vihan, Vyas, Hare, Jignesh, Arush, Vihat, turn on your camera, please.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Vedi.
How to do that activity, that circle one?
I'm telling you, no, I will explain.
No, not that.
Then,
You send that video how to do that one. The
okay,
video.
that you can cut the different circles of different sizes and make any of the picture. Either
We
teddy
have
bear
to cut
picture.
that.
Yes.
If I'm making the bed, we have to cut it. Uh, Cut
Will
its
it be okay
ears
that
also.
you will able to make the bat with the circles?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you can as many as circles you can cut and make it,
Ma'am,
or you can cut circles and make the fish also. Very good. Whole student circle in your hand. I request, hurry, your my camera is not on.
ma'am, I have made from a circle.
Let me spin you all. Now I want to follow the steps which I will tell you. Vihan, Vyas, turn on your camera, please. Viha, turn on your camera, please. Moment. Okay.
Ma'am, is this circle okay?
Yeah, this is circle. Okay. Now this, children, you all know that if you define about the rectangle, about the square, then you can say it's a four-sided figure, right? For example, there is a square figure and you say it's a four-sided figure, all sides are equal. This way you define about the square. So who will define about the circle? Who will define? And raise your virtual hand. Circle is what? How you will define the circle? Please tell me your name and start explaining. Yes, Pritika. Explain what is circle.
Circle don't have any edges, faces, and vertices, but a circle has a center, radius,
Circle is
diameter.
having a face. One face to circle ko hota hai.
Okay.
But it is not having edges and corners.
A
Okay.
circle has center, radius, and diameter.
That are the different thing. वो तो parts जब हम पढ़ेंगे. But in the simple way, if you define the circle, circle is a closed figure. It's a closed figure है. Open. It's not a open. कहीं से open तो नहीं है. Then it will not be a circle. It should be a closed figure. Yes or no? A circle is
Yes.
a closed figure which has no edges, no corners.
it is a circular shape.
It is in circular shape. Yes. Can anyone give me what is the example of circle? Any example of circle?
No.
जो चीजें आप मोस्टली सर्कुलर शेप में ही देखते हैं. यस जिग्नेश.
Ma'am, in circle it could be a ring,
Ring. Okay.
a bangle,
Yes.
a
Bangle. Very good. Bangle. Mohammed Kuledi. Yes. Yes, Mohammed Momin.
Ma'am, like a tire.
Tire. Okay. Yes, Dhwani.
Like a wheel.
Wheel.
A circular box type.
Circular box. Okay. You don't know about full moon? Full moon day pe moon will be visible
like
full in the shape of a circle.
Ma'am, like Earth, Sun.
Earth is in the globe. Earth is in the sphere shape.
Ma'am, like Jupiter.
No, they are in the sphere shape.
Sun.
Okay. Now, I will explain you about the today different parts of a circle.
Ma'am, like a sunflower.
sunflower is not in the circle shape properly. When you see, it's okay, we can take, but ring is okay. Moon, we can say. CD, you all know CD, compact disc, is in the circular form. Okay. Bangle, coin.
Batch, batch. Ma'am, batch.
Okay, some batches are coming
Watch.
in
Ma'am, you
circle
have
shape.
written wrong spelling of center.
Ma'am,
No,
medal.
it is this only. There are two different type of center spellings.
Ma'am, watch
Here it is.
also.
Here it is this only. One is you go for the center, na? Shopping center. This will be the spelling. Here is the center, means center of the circle.
Ma'am, we have to write this in the notebook.
No, just listen. Now hold the circle, fold it into half. Everyone fold it into half. I'm going to pin one child. Pritika, I'm going to pin you. You please explain how you fold it. You speak also.
Okay. First, we have to fold it like this.
Hmm. Then
Then
again
this
fold it. Now open it. Now don't fold. Open it. So what you have find out?
center.
You know everyone. What is this?
Yes,
Where she
ma'am.
is pinning.
Yeah.
This is the
Center.
center of the circle. So can anyone explain what is the center of the circle? In the simple words, what is the definition of the center of a circle?
Middle.
The center of the circle is the central point of a circle from which all the distance to the points of the circle are equal. For example, this is the center of the circle, and from here, if I take any point on the boundary of the circle, and if I join this this distance, and if I take this point and if I join this, both the length of both this is same. Means from the center, or the distance to the boundary, the point when you are joining to the boundary, the distance will be same. Got it? ये practically also you can do. अब आपके circle में 4 lines बन गई होंगी when you folded that. Yes or no? Yes or no? This is the center you
Yes,
get.
ma'am.
Then you can see there are 4 lines.
Renu, ma'am.
Yeah.
Renu, ma'am.
Hmm.
Renu, ma'am.
हाँ बोलो बच्चा.
Ma'am, I have made a cat from a circle.
Very good, very good. In the last class, I gave you activity that you
Ma'am,
made.
it is 11 centimeter diameter.
Okay. Now listen here, students. Is my board clearly visible to you all?
Yes.
Okay. So when you folded the center, you got the 4 lines. Very good, Arth Gujarati. Very nice. I can see. Can you speak about this? What you have made, Arth? Show us also.
Ma'am, teddy bear face.
Very nice. So how many circles you have used in this? Have you attached the work there? Or have you clicked the you have clicked the
Ma'am,
picture?
Ma'am, 9 circles.
Good.
ma'am, in my picture there is only 3 circle.
Okay, I can see Asta also had made very nice thing. Very good, Asta. Please attach your work in the classroom, okay, students? In the activity.
Ma'am,
The activity folder.
I have attached. Ma'am, I
Okay.
have sent you.
Now listen here. When you have folded the circle, you got the 4 lines. Now, from the center and the distance which is this. Suppose this is 3 centimeters after measuring it with the ruler. And then you will check this will also be the 3 centimeter. This will also be the 3 centimeter, and this will also be the 3 centimeter from the center. So from the center, the distance to the boundary of the circle will be same. Got it, everyone? Then, now this is the center we have described. Go to the next point. What is radius? Children, you know about what is line. You have learned in the last grades what is line. Who will explain me what is line? आपने ग्रेड 2 ग्रेड 3 में पढ़ा होगा व्हाट इज लाइन इन ज्योमेट्री. You have learned about what is line segment. Anybody knows about that? No? No one knows? Can I explain? Okay. A line is a straight line which you know is having a one end point and starting point but is not having a end point. Right? Suppose आप line draw करते हैं ना, एक line draw करते कितनी भी, suppose if I tell you to draw a line, तो कोई इतनी सी line बनाएगा, कोई इतनी सी बनाएगा, कोई इतनी बनाएगा. Because I have not given you the correct measurement, कितनी line बनानी है, right? So some children will make a line this, some will make like this, some will make like this. So the difference between line and line segment is that line is having a one end point, but one starting point, but no end point. उसका कोई end point नहीं है. Arrow होता है. Arrow means you can extend the line. Extend means आप कितनी भी बढ़ा सकते हो line को आगे. Suppose पहले आपने starting point से इतनी ही बनाई. Then you got thinking that okay, मैं इसको और थोड़ी बड़ा कर सकता हूँ, तो you can extend it. So line is having one starting point but no end point is a line. And what is line segment? Line segment is a line which is having both starting. बेटा मैं चिल्ला के बोल रही हूँ. Who is saying that my voice is not coming?
Ma'am, hare.
Hare.
Ma'am, hooray.
To other students, my voice is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, clear.
Okay. So what is the difference between line and line segment is line segment is having the starting point also and the ending point also. So whenever we say draw a line segment, we never say draw a line. कभी भी आपको जब एग्जाम्स में आता है draw a line segment of 5 centimeter, so means you start from the 1 centimeter, go till the 5 centimeter, end it here at the 5 centimeter. So starting point and ending point is there, then you say it's a line segment. When starting point is there, no ending point, then it's a line. Got it? Everyone is clear about the line and the line segment?
Yes.
Line segment is having a starting point but no ending point. But line segment, I repeat again, sorry. Line is having a starting point but no ending point. Line segment is having starting point as well as ending point also. So कभी भी जब आपको एग्जाम्स में पूछा जाता है draw, it will never come like this, draw a line of 5 centimeter. It will always come like this, draw a line segment of 5 centimeter. Okay. So why my point is to explain you about the line segment. It will come here to the radius. Center से from the center draw a line segment touches to the boundary of a circle. Any point the circle's boundary of a circle.
Ma'am, are you stuck?
I am stuck, students.
Ma'am, for only one.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
You are checking and then again coming. Yes,
Maybe
ma'am.
because of network issue, sometime it will happen, bacha, but not regular. Okay. I will again repeat. Radius of a circle is the length of a line from the center to any point of the boundary of a circle. Means circle से लेकर, please pay attention here and mute your mic, students. A line segment from the center to the boundary of the circle is called the radius of the circle. A line segment from the center of the circle touching to the boundary of the circle, any point. यहाँ से ये भी radius है, यहाँ से एक point यहाँ पे boundary पे touch किया, ये भी radius है. यहाँ से center से, not from now center to this also a radius. Got it? From center any point to touching to the boundary of the circle is the radius. Any doubt about the radius?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the
A
doubt?
circle can have two radius.
A circle can have many radius. So when it has many radius, it is the radii. The plural word for the radius is radii. Radii. This is the plural word for radius. It has many radius. Suppose I will draw like this. So now if I tell me the radius. So you cannot say only OA is the radius. OA is radius. OB is also radius. OD is also radius. And O to E is also radius. And many more can be radius. O to F is also radius. O to G is also radius. Why I am starting from O? O means a origin point, a starting point. Origin का मतलब होता है starting point. And O, if you give the center point, center से लेकर next H, next pointer is the radius of the circle. So यहाँ से यहाँ तक का radius है, यहाँ से ये radius, this is also radius, this is also radius, and this is also radius. And when you are seeing many radiuses, so plural of the radius is radii. Got it, everyone? So the radius is clear to you all? Let me take the attendance for 1 minute, then I will proceed. Any confusion to the radius? Ask me. A line segment passing from the center of the circle touches the boundary of the circle.
Ma'am, what you have said, show the example, I cannot understand.
Which child is this?
Ma'am, please.
Dear, I was explaining about the radius. A line segment from the center touching to the boundary of the circle is the radius. So this
Okay.
O to A is radius, O to B is also radius, O to F is also radius, O to D, O to E, and O to G. Why I am giving O here? It's a origin point. Center point is always marked as a origin point. Origin means the starting point, जहाँ से आपने शुरू किया है. That's why most of the time you will find when you see the books, you will find O ही इसको alphabet क्यों दिया है. You can give AB also, but most of the times in your maths book, different books, they give O to this. It's a origin point, center point. Origin means the starting point. Got it?
And we can write only this alphabet or many
You can
alphabets.
write any other alphabets.
Okay.
Now go to the diameter of a circle. What is diameter? Diameter is also a line segment. Okay. Diameter is also a line segment, passes from the center and whose two ends are touching to the boundary of a circle. Diameter passing from the center, a line segment passing from the center whose two end points are touching to the boundary. This is the boundary, you all know. Boundary of a circle is Asta,
Yes, ma'am.
Earth, pay attention here. Two end points, दो end point है line segment के center से पास है, but both the end points are touching to the boundary of a circle. Remember, radius में सिर्फ एक point touch कर रहा था circle को. From the center touching the point to the boundary of the circle. And diameter में line segment के दोनों points boundary पे touch करेंगे. So you can say that if I say from here to here is the radius and here to here is the 2 times radius. So we can say the diameter is double of the radius. Yes or no? Suppose from here to here it's 3 centimeter radius and O to B. And O to A is another radius which is also 3 centimeter. So what will be the diameter?
6 centimeter.
8. Ma'am, 6
Yes,
centimeter.
3 plus 3 is 6 centimeter is the diameter. This is also the diameter. And then again another line segment passing from the center, touching to the boundaries of the circle, both the endpoints. This is also diameter. The full is diameter, and from O to B is a radius. So if this is also radius, this is also radius, and two radius makes the diameter. Got it, everyone? This is clear. Two radius make the diameter. So we can always say diameter is double of the radius. Am I clear? Diameter is double of the radius. And short form of radius is R. Short form of diameter is D. Till here it is clear. Now please show me, show everyone, show me radius also, one radius and one diameter in your circle. The circle which you have cut it, show me. Draw a radius in that, draw a diameter in that and show it to me. Marker lo हाथ में. Take marker. Yes, Viha is showing. Viha, show me one. Which is the radius? Can you name them? Show me. Which is the radius? Can anyone show me only one radius? And give them the names in alphabets, not in numbers. Who is showing me the radius and the diameter?
Ma'am, see.
Yes, Pritika is showing me. Pritika, yes. Which is the radius? Can you name? आपने अपने radius को क्या नाम दिया? Wait, Vedi.
Ma'am,
What
this
name?
is the radius.
Bring it little middle, near to the camera. Yes, radius, and this is the diameter.
Yes.
Don't write 2 times D. It is 1 time D only. 2 times radius makes the 1 diameter. Okay. Yes, yes, Vedi. I'm pinning you now. No, Vedi. First radius is okay, which is passing from the center. But
Ma'am, your
this
board
is
is not clear.
it will come within 2-3 seconds. This is not the diameter. ये diameter नहीं है.
Ma'am, I know. I was. I checked the
Diameter
full
is
circle.
only the line segment which passes from the center and both the endpoint touching to the boundary of a circle. Yes, show me Earth. Speak also Earth.
Yes, ma'am.
Earth, show me which is the diameter
The
and which is
radius
the
of
radius.
the circle is OD.
Where is the OD? O2. Point. आप अपना pointer लगाओ वहाँ पे finger से. Show it to me. Yeah. From O2, where is the D? Yes. And this is the radius. Where is the diameter? Suppose you said from O to D is the radius, so extend that radius. This will be your diameter. Yes.
Yes.
Asta, show me. Very good. So can you explain me which is the radius?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. The radius of the circle is OB.
And which is the diameter? Diameter ऐसे भी हो सकता है, स्लीपिंग भी हो सकता है, डायगोनली भी हो सकता है डायमीटर. बस वो लाइन सेगमेंट आपके सेंटर से पास होनी चाहिए और दोनों एंड पॉइंट्स
Ma'am, 1 minute.
टच होने चाहिए. दिस कैन आल्सो बी द डायमीटर. दोनों एंड पॉइंट्स बाउंड्री पे टच होने चाहिए, सेंटर से लाइन सेगमेंट पास होनी चाहिए. So this is also diameter. If I draw like this is also your diameter. Got it, everyone? Diameter and radius is clear. Center is clear.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
In diameter, we can draw like this. First, we draw this, and then like this.
No, this will not be diameter. नहीं है. एक ही straight line पे दोनों points होने चाहिए. एक ही straight line segment है ना वो. Line segment. That's why I explain you first the meaning of the line segment. Line segment is a line whose two endpoints are, there is starting point also and the end points. And both the endpoints are touching to the boundary of a circle.
Ma'am,
Yes, Dhwani.
see,
Let me pin you. Yes. So how many diameters are there in your
in your
circle?
circle. Ma'am, it is one diameter.
No, there are two diameter I can see. आपने एक ही अच्छा उसको extend नहीं किया. Okay. One diameter. And how many radius are there?
One radius.
No. Three radius are there.
Yes, ma'am. There are
Yes, ma'am,
three
there.
radius.
Three radius and one diameter. Got it? Because you are showing me like this. So one diameter, two diameter, three diameter. Oh, sorry. Again. One
One
radius, two
radius, two
radius,
radius, two
and
radius,
three
and
radius.
three radius.
Three radius and one diameter. Can I move
Can
now
I?
next to next topic? Semicircle. Okay. Again, take your circle, fold it into the half, exact half. Take your circle, the paper you have cut it. Who is showing me? Please show me here. Yes, Pritika, hold it and explain me that you have. Vedi will explain. Vedi. Vedi, explain.
Ma'am, the semicircle is the half. This is the full circle. If we fold it, the half part has gone and it became the semicircle. The
Very
half
good.
of circle is called semicircle.
The half of the circle is called the semicircle. Very good. Can anyone give me the example of semicircle? The objects which you see in the form of a semicircle. Children, you know there is one instrument which is available in your geometry box. अपने geometry
Oh,
box में एक instrument available है.
ma'am,
Take
it
out
is a
that.
half like this.
Yeah.
Semicircle.
It's a type of a scale.
Please take it in your hand and show it to me. Yes, Mohammed. What is the name of this instrument?
D, ma'am.
D. This is also called D because the shape of this is D, and it is also called protractor.
Protector.
Got it, Vedi? Got it, Mohammed? Yes. So the shape of the protractor is in the form of a semicircle, and half of the circle is called semicircle. Got it? When you divide the circle from the diameter से दो parts में divide करते हो circle को. Is there any other way of dividing the diameter and making a semicircle? Vedi has just taken this and folded into the this way in the sleeping. Then this way the semicircle has been done. But if I cut it like this and make it this is also we can draw a semicircle.
Yes,
Can you
ma'am.
show me? Anyone can show me in the two different ways?
Ma'am, see.
Lengthwise. Yes. Yes, please. Yeah.
Ma'am,
If
this
you
is the one way to get a semicircle, and this is also one way.
yes.
Get a semicircle.
Means when we are dividing a circle from the diameter, we will get the semicircle. अगर मैं यहाँ से करूँगी cut diameter से center से line pass हो रही है, this is a diameter. If I cut it like this, then also I will able to get the semicircle. Diameter say when I cut the circle into two halves, I will get the semicircle. Got it, students?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Riha.
In a circle, there are three diameter and
No,
three
no,
radius.
many diameters.
Ma'am, in my one diameter and three
You can
radius.
get many diameters. See, this is also a diameter. 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 Right?
Ma'am, we can get
A line passing from the center of the circle, both the endpoints are touching to the boundary of a circle is a diameter. Got it? Now, I will go to the next. Children, don't worry. We will revise these 2 days. We will revise all the topics which we are doing about the parts of a circle. First is what is circle? Is a closed figure. No edges. Pritika, mute yourself. Shivani, mute yourself. No edges, no corners. Center is the center point of the circle. Radius, a line segment passing from the center of a circle touches the boundary. The end point touches the boundary of a circle. Diameter, a line segment passing from the center whose both the end points are touching to the boundary of the circle. Semicircle, when we divide the circle from the diameter, we will get the semicircle. Now, what is chord? Chord is also a line segment. Chord भी एक line segment है. Just a minute. Chord is also a line segment जिसके दो end points touching the boundary of a circle. See, this is a chord. But chord जो है वो center से pass नहीं होती है. Chord can pass from the center. Yes, can pass. Now this is a line segment whose both the end points touching to the boundary of a circle. This is a chord. Children, you know, you have seen in your SST, your EVS book, this kind of thing in your globe.
Yes.
This you have seen?
No.
No?
We don't have SST textbook.
Okay, maybe you will go in the higher grades, you will learn about this. Southern hemisphere, northern hemisphere, and the equator, dividing the globe into two equal halves. Yes or no?
And
Yes
what
or
is SST?
that is that will come in your next, maybe in the higher grades, maybe you will see. So now what is chord? Chord is a line segment whose two endpoints are touching to the boundary of a circle. We can say the diameter is a chord. Why? Because diameter के भी दो end points जो है center पे touch होते हैं. If I say this is the diameter, diameter is a chord because diameter's point. Mute yourself, Mohammed. Because diameter's 2 points are touching to the boundary of a circle. Yes. But now the question is, diameter can be a chord, but chord cannot be a diameter. Why? Who will give me the answer? Diameter can be a chord, but chord cannot be a diameter.
Because if that down one is chord, then it could be not be diameter because diameter has to pass from the center of the circle.
Yes. Diameter has to pass from the center of the circle. So in this, if I have drawn many chords, which is the longest chord?
The middle diameter.
Ma'am, middle one.
Middle one is what? Diameter. Diameter
Diameter.
is the longest chord.
Ma'am,
Got it? अगर आप diameter से ऊपर
ma'am,
जाते जाएंगे,
can diameter be like this also slant, but it will not go from the center.
then it will not be a diameter.
No,
Diameter, it is
will be
compulsory
chord
to
that.
go from the
Ma'am, it
center.
will be chord if it do not from
Yeah.
the center.
If you see the line is this,
Huh.
this is a chord.
Okay,
If
ma'am.
you see a line is passing from the center, this is the diameter also, and this is the chord also.
Okay.
But you keep on making this is a chord because and two endpoints are lying on the boundary of a circle, right? So we can say this is a chord, but it cannot be a diameter because it's not passing from the center of the circle. This line is also can be a chord, but it's not a diameter because it's not passing from the center. But this is the diameter passing from the center. It can also be called as a chord also. And the longest chord is always the diameter is the longest chord. सबसे बड़ी chord diameter ही होती है, चाहे वो diagonally हो, चाहे वो sleeping में हो, पर longest chord diameter ही होगी. Got it? Now go to the next point, which is circumference. हम इतनी देर से बाउंड्री 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 पढ़ रहे हैं. दैट इज द सर्कमफ्रेंस ऑफ अ सर्कल. आप जब पेरीमीटर निकालते हैं, यू फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द स्क्वायर, फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ द rectangle. Perimeter is what? Perimeter is the space, the outer space of an object, right? So what is the outer space of the circle? Is the circumference of the circle. Got it, everyone? So circumference is the boundary, the perimeter, You can call as a boundary also. You can call it as a perimeter. This is called the circumference of a circle. आप जब higher grades में जाएंगे आप circumference निकालना भी सीखेंगे. How to find the circumference of a circle. That when you go in the higher grades, you will learn that. So today we have done about what is circle, how to find the center of the circle, what is the radius of the circle, what is the diameter of the circle, semicircle is what, chord is what, and the circumference is what. Clear, everyone? In the next coming class, I am expecting you children have to explain me all the pointers. I will ask from you all. You have to give me and explain me. We will revise it in 2-3 classes. Then we go to the next topic. Am I clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank
Yes,
you.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank.
Yes.
Bye bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Again, happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Happy Teachers' Day.